Hello everybody, my name's Andrew, and I'm going to talk to you about endothermic and exothermic reactions. An endothermic reaction is a reaction in which heat energy is being taken in for the process or the reaction to occur. One example of an endothermic reaction is a reaction called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is where plants grow and become nice plants. An example of a endothermic process, though, would be ice melting. It's where it's not a reaction because it doesn't change its chemical formula, but it changes the state. It changes from a solid to a liquid. Okay, now I will do an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is a reaction where heat is being given off. It is the exact opposite of an endothermic reaction. Right here, I have an exothermic reaction. When I light the flame, heat energy is being given off. So if I put my hand right here, which you shouldn't do because it's dangerous, it is hot, which is the opposite of endothermic reaction. And bye.
Hi. A catalyst is any substance that works to accelerate a chemical reaction. A catalyst can be organic, synthetic, or metal. The process by which a catalyst speeds up a reaction is called a catalysis. For any process to occur, energy is needed. This is known as activation energy. Basically, a catalyst is a shortcut for this reaction to occur quicker.
Alright, what's up guys? Scotty here. I'll be talking to you about acids and bases. So acids and bases are two special kinds of chemicals. Almost all are liquids, almost all liquids are either acids or bases. The ions in the liquid define it as an acid or base. If it has hydrogen ions, then it's acidic, but if it has hydroxide ions, then it's basic. Scientists use a pH scale to measure how acidic or basic a liquid is. The scale ranges from 0 to 14. From 0 to 7 are acids, and from 7 to 14 are bases. If a liquid has a pH of 7, it's neutral, or water. So, the difference between acids and bases: the acids in fruit are sour and taste bitter. Bases feel slimy in your hands, like baking soda and water. And acids turn red, while bases turn blue. Well, we'll show you in a few seconds here. Alright guys, this is hydrochloric acid, and so it should turn red on the pH scale, indicating that it is an acid. And yes, it's a very dark red, so that's pH about 2 or 3, which means very acidic. What's up guys, and this is soapy water, so it should be a basic. So it changed colors a little bit, so it's not as basic as water.
Hey boys and girls, I'm Sammy Safety, and I'm going to show you how to be safe in the lab area. First of all, always wear protective goggles or eyewear. If you don't have these, you might get harmful substances in your eyes, and you could go blind. Second thing I'm going to do is show you that you have to wear closed-toed shoes. Also, girls, make sure your hair's tied back. Everyone has to have their arms rolled up like this. I already have done it. Boys and girls, if anything very extreme happens, remember that this shower, it's a safety shower, will go down and water will rush over you and remove any material that's on you. Also, if anything gets in your eyes, make sure to use the eye wash. The eye wash gets all the stuff out of your eyes, and make sure you stay in there for at least 10 minutes. Boys and girls, some experiments, you may need to smell things. I'm going to show you how to smell in a safe way. Don't go like this and take a huge sniff in. Dangerous material could get in your nasal cavity, and that would not be good. Instead, waft the substance into your nose so nothing goes straight up. Another quick reminder, boys and girls, is never to run in the lab area. People have fragile things and anything could break in here. Also, if anything spills,
Oh no!
make sure you report it to your teacher. Because other than that, you could get in trouble for it. And any spills, make sure you clean up with a nice paper towel or any kind of substance that will clean it up. Make sure your area is clean when you leave, and you'll be all good. Thanks, boys and girls. And boys and girls, remember, if you're not safe, you could end up like me.